Hi everyone, it's Maggie and I'm here with another project share, and this is a Cupcake Doily Mini, and on the cover I made a flower with this tool and I added a bling piece in the middle, and then there's a doily underneath that. There's actually two, and then I added this gathered trim here. And then I added this trim to go around, just to kind of, so that when you set it down, it kind of looks like a cupcake. And then I tied it all together with seam binding, and then I added this piece here on the side. I know it's kind of dark, it's overcast, and it's been raining on and off today, so I'm not sure. But it's a bronzy, I think, piece, and it's got rhinestones. And there's a little dangle with, it's a dark purple jewel, and here's a bird, and there's a large bling piece and some beads. And I love this metal piece. I've been hoarding it for a long time, but I thought it was time to use it. So the front cover I just showed you, and there's lots of dangles. And then you open it up, and here's a pocket page, so it can fit some little thing in there. And I just use different dangle trims. You've seen so many of these that I'll just kind of show you the highlights. I made some flowers. These are just leaves that I'd gotten. And here's a flower dangle with some of my clay flowers, and a mother and daughter. I love that. And I used greens and pinks on this one. And there's lots of dangles. And then here's a little girl. And there's some pink and some lavender and some blue. And I just, it's the same. You've seen the way I make the mini, so there's no real change. If I change my way of making something, I'll let you know. So for the most part, you kind of know that the base of it is the same as my other ones. Just this is a smaller one because they're only 5-inch doilies this time, and I was making much larger ones with 7-inch doilies. So here's a picture of who could be a mom, and I added this lavender trim is from Craft Supplies for You. And the rest I think is from my stash. More dangles. And then here's another picture, a lady, and then on the other side is a little girl with roses. She's holding roses. And there's some blues and pinks on this one, and some white and pink. I used a gathered trim to go around, and some flower appliques and more dangles. And then here's this page is pink, and here's a large flower applique. And I love this flower, and I wanted to show you that you can use large pieces on small projects like this. They don't all have to be small. And there's two more flower appliques. And then I just used this pink flower trim to go around. And more dangles. And then here's the back page. And on this page, this is a doily on top of the page. And then I put, this is actually a doily here that I cut out petals. And then these here are teardrop pieces that I got. I think they were part of a little thank you bag from Donna Little when I bought some doilies. So I kind of use those as petals going in between. And then here's another, this is a connector doily, and then this acrylic and rhinestone flower in the middle. And then here's a flower dangle. I might put some more, a couple of clay flowers on here. I meant to, and I guess I forgot, but I will probably do that off camera. And then there's just more dangles. So that's basically it. That's my Cupcake Doily Mini. And like I said, the pages started off as 5-inch doilies, but they do grow once you start putting things on. So I hope you like it. I haven't made a doily cupcake mini in a long time. So if you'd like, leave me a comment and just let me know what you think of it. And I'll be back again soon. I have more projects to share. So bye for now.